warm welcome to all of you. Today I'm going to show you how to make Kashmiri spicy Monje Haakh or Kohlrabi. It's an everyday dish in Kashmir, comforting and nourishing. It's almost prepared every day in Kashmiri households and it tastes delicious. So let's get started. For making this comforting food, I have taken around 1 kg of Monje Haakh. It's a mix of Haakh and Monje. And around half a cup of mustard oil. You can take any other oil also, but it cooks best in mustard oil. And 3 teaspoons of chili powder, half a teaspoon of fennel seed powder, 1 small cinnamon stick, salt 2 teaspoons according to our taste, half a teaspoon of coriander seed powder, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. You can add other spices also, but it's cooked best in basic spices. And I have taken around 1 small onion and few cloves of garlic. You can take prawn or shallots also instead of onions. Now in a cooker I have heated up oil. Once it starts to heat up, I'll add onions and garlic. Fry it properly till they turn brown. Then I will add Monje Haakh or Kohlrabi. Mix and let it fry properly till the oil is released. It will take around 15 minutes on high flame. Once Monje Haakh is fried properly, we will be adding spices. So I'll be adding all the spices, and I have added cumin seeds also here. Mix. Let it fry for a few minutes. Keep stirring in between. And then add 2 glasses of water and cook it up to 4 whistles on high flame, and then simmer it for around 15 minutes or till it's tender. So here our super easy and super yum Monje Haakh is ready. Now it depends on you whether you want to keep some gravy or you want it dry. So I'm keeping a little bit of gravy. Now I'll dish it out. Serve it hot with rice. Give it a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.